Hello everyone and welcome to Stock Tech. I would like to show you something, and here it is. You can see a good gains, a profits of almost 35% in a stock called Star. Let us ignore IRCTC and Tata Motors and let us just focus on Star. The stock was bought at 289. The stock is currently at 390. That's almost a gains of 100 rupees. Even if you have invested 200, let us say 100 stocks, by investing 29,000, you would have made a 10,000 profits in a span of 1 month. But how could you have made this profit? And this was a single day trade taken yesterday by one of our students, which gave him a 24,000 rupees in a day. So how you could have made this profits? It was very simple. You could have made this profit just by following us on Instagram. How? Let us scroll back, and I would like to take you to this chart over here on the 30th of September. As you can see, this was posted on the 30th of September. We had posted the stock when it was somewhere around, you can say we have taken a position today at 300 with a stop loss of 285, right? Taken a position at 300 with a stop loss of 285, posted on 30th September. Let me go to the stock chart, and 30th September is somewhere over here. So we had taken the position somewhere around here at 300 with a stop loss of 285. You can see the stock came down but never came down to our stop loss, but in fact it rallied. How much did it rally? It rallied almost 35% in a month. That is equivalent to an FD gains of 5 years. So you can clearly see Star has fulfilled our expectations and given a big rally. Okay, this you could have easily gained just by following us on our Instagram page. You can take a look. We had also posted expected move by Wipro on this page itself, and this was the chart that we had posted. And if you see current chart for Wipro, let us go to the current chart for Wipro, and here is how the chart would look like now. We have achieved the second target. Can you see that? This was posted around 3 weeks ago, that is on the 4th of October, when the stock was here, and this is the live chart as of now, and the stock is over here. So this is the power of learning. And how can you gain the stocks? We keep posting stocks and suggestions on our Instagram page. Do follow us. The username is stocktech.n. So join us and learn to trade to earn. Thank you.